Craig Williams ar tafliad. Ni'n mynd i chwarae 2 funud eto. Sears. Gosod hon cyfle i Danny. Cynnig i Kershaw sy'n gyrru hon yn isel iawn tuag at Mullock yn y gôl. A'r golwr a dreuliodd cyfnod fan hyn ar Barclaitham gyda Drenewydd. Sicrhau mae gornel yn unig. Mae Drenewydd yn ei chael y tro yma. 6 munud i chwarae. Williams yn codi hon tuag at Mitchell! Neil Mitchell yn dathlu gôl am y tro cynta tymor hyn. Ac mae'r gŵr lleol yn cael ei gofleidio gan i gyd chwaraewyr ar Drenewydd ar ôl 6 munud i dwyn y fantes. Ac Aberystwyth sy'n ond i sgori 1 gôl y tymor hyn. Yn mynd i orfod sgori 2 os yn nhw am ddarganfod buddigoliaeth am y tro cynta tymor hyn. Reid yn gryf. Sponcio'r chwarae'r ifanc Matthew Jones oddi wrtho fe. Darganfod Mitchell sy'n parhau y redeg. Gormod y grysau gwyrdd o'i amgylch os bosib. Nagos. Y blaenor y dal yn llwyddo i wasgu ergyd. Fymryn yn llydan. Rushton yn brwydro. Dini at Kenton. Neb yn marco'r asgellwr. Cyfle i fentro. Mae'n gwneud a tri agosod i heibio i Mullock sy'n lawr yn isel i ddyrnu honna mas. Nôl a Kershaw bellter. A'r perygl yn diflannu. Ond wrth i Aberystwyth barhau bwyso. Mae yna fygythiad y tu ôl yn arbennig gyda chyflymder Kenton ar y chwyth. 8 o chwaraewyr Aberystwyth yn cyrraedd y Cwd Cosby. Lan hi gan Young. Walcott y codi mae'n hefyd y rwyd. Mae Walker yn dathlu. Ond mae yna drosedd rhywle. Mae Walker yn gorau rhythro nôl achos mae Kenton o'i flanau. Y tu ôl i'r amddiffyn. Yr asgellwr yn gwibio i gladdu. Ail gol y Drenewydd ac efallai i gladdu Aberystwyth. Gwrth ymysodiad yn hollti'r amddiffyn. Walker yn dathlu. Ac yna'n gorfod newid cyfeiriad a rhythro nôl i drio dal Kenton, ond os dim llawer o chwaraewyr yn gallu dal Joe Kenton. Ac mae'r asgellwr yn dechrau am y tro cynta tymor hyn, yn sgori am y tro cynta tymor hyn. Kenton yn derbyn y bêl, mas ar y chwyth. Wedi sgori un, yn mentro yn erbyn Spittle, heibio i Spittle, ac yn gwasgu trydydd Drenewydd i ailu o'r prynhawn. A'r triphwynt yn ddiogel. Aberystwyth yn suddo unwaith eto. Y Drenewydd ar ôl colled yr wythnos diwetha lawr yn y bari yn sbwncio nôl yn edrych yn gyfforddus iawn nawr ac nhw efallai wedi darganfod asgellwr bach newydd. Mitchell. Bamford yn rhedeg o'i flan, Neil Mitchell yn parhau yn lled iddi. Dychwch ar y lles i gyda Craig Williams. Cyfle i groesi. Yn berffeth. A Bamford sy'n dathlu pedwaredd y Drenewydd. Yr eilydd 7 munud o'r diwedd yn casglu gol arall ac yn tywallt bach o halen i frywiau Aberystwyth. Yr ymysodiad yn treiddio i lawr y chwyth ar bêl wych tuag at Craig Williams. Digon o le, digon o amser. Cefnwr osod i ar blat i Bamford yr eilydd.
In the first half, Aber puts under a lot of pressure without really testing our goalkeeper. You know, they were difficult to deal with, playing 4-4-2, very direct. Once we address that, you know, with the pace we've got in the last third, it allows us to play on the counter-attack, and you've seen that for the second and third goal in particular as well. And then, you know, we opened up relaxed, and then the fourth goal was a great goal, fantastic team goal. So yeah, all in all, really delighted. You know, still bits to improve on, still bits to work on, but you know, it's an important win for us.
Neville Powell, you've kept the team in for a few minutes after the game there. Can you give a hint as to the kind of conversations you've been having?
Not really, no. Obviously the players, they've got to be responsible out there on the pitch, haven't they? You know, it was awful there. But once the second goal went in, it wasn't good enough, and they know that. You know, as a group, they know it. You know, a bit of hard luck, to be honest, where Declan Walker scored the goal, but we switched off and they've hit us, and then obviously the game's over after that. But not good enough really from us today. You know, it was a poor game, and we've got to start picking points up quickly. You know, there's enough in that dressing room to do that. I mean, I'm experienced enough to know these lads have got to give me more.
Joe Kenton as well, 2 goals, first start of the year. He's not really a first team regular usually. He's got to be now, isn't he?
We started him today. We just thought the way Aber were going to set up would suit us to his pace would be crucial, and as it turned out, it was. And we're delighted for him. He's a great lad. Comes in, works hard, keeps his head down, and he's got his chance, and he's done really well today.
I know that I've got the pace. I can beat PI players 1v1, so I'll just do what I do and just take on the outside or cut inside. And yeah, and luckily today I got 2. So.
We have got to start scoring goals. Goals win games, and as you say we haven't scored in 4 games. That's nearly unheard of in this league. So yeah, we've got to start creating chances and all over the pitch, And the thing is, we concede them the other end, and as you say, it's a bit worrying. We've got to keep at it, and these players have just got to start to gel quickly.